Hi, in this video we are going to see objects. So let me open my workbook, and today's topic we will be learning how we can create an object and how we can create one object from the any file, like the file that object is saved in our local drive, how we can do that. So what what is the object? If you see in the simple word, anything like any notepad file, any word file, any ppt or any video you want to save in the excel, right? We can have. So sometime what happen, we are presenting some data there, and it become very easy for us if we just have the that file which is additional file I need to present, right? If that file is already available on the sheet. So we will discuss in detail. So let me show you how we can create an object. So to create object, if you are in the different tab, right, in the home tab or somewhere, you have to click on the insert, click on insert, go to the this test, and just click on drop down. You will be having some further icons available. So you click on the object. Once you click on the object, you will be getting this window where it will ask for the create a new or create from the file. So first we will see the create from new. So these are the file type you can create at a new. Say for example, you have you want to create PowerPoint or WordPad, right? Word document, any kind of this thing we can create. So let me create one PPT first, then I will show you how we can create WordPad. Okay, so PPT slide, yeah, it is here. PowerPoint presentation, there's a lot of, right? So I'll use this one, PowerPoint. I click on this and click on here as a display as icon. So once I click on that, now if you see, I got one PPT file get open. Now what I will do is, now whatever the option I wanted to perform, say for example I want to insert a new slide or new template or image, any image, right? If I want to attach, say for example, let me attach some image or offline. Okay, let me insert some shapes. So let me open one. I can do whatever I want. Okay, it's not necessary like this is the what we have to do. So so say for example I have done with my PPT. Okay, so what I'll do, I will save it. Once I hit save and close this, I'm resume on my Excel sheet. If again I want to open it, just click on that and you can see that PPT is got displayed here. So this is the use, like if sometime during my presentation I have PPT, I need to show the PPT, some PPT there, some notepad file is there, some video I want to show, right? So this time if we have icons here, I don't have to go and find out that that file, where is that file, and also it become easy to carry. I have to just carry this. I have created object, I have inserted here, and now I have to just take this file wherever I am going. I have to just take this Excel file, and whenever I open my object, and this will be available. Okay, so we don't have to worry about having multiple files at the carrying same time. So it is very useful when we deal with the presentation or showing record or taking files to somewhere. But one thing we have to careful about, the Excel file get increased if you have attach one node, whatever the file you are going to attach, right? The Excel file size will get increased, okay, based on the whatever the document you are going to attach. So if I have some kind of like 20 MB one video, if I'm attaching, the my size Excel size will get increased to 20 MB. So we have to little bit careful about it, but other than that it is very useful, and we don't have to worry about if I wanted to open Microsoft Power, that presentation, I just click on that and it will be get open. And this is how we can create any PowerPoint. I will show you there's some more things we can create. So let me see what next we can show you. So as of now we have add of document we have, and these are there. but we can show you WordPad. Okay, let me create one WordPad Microsoft Word document and click on the display as icon. If you want to change icon, right, you want to change the name, right, so Daksh tutorial else fine. Okay, and see, it is showing what document, like what type of icon you want to select. So you can create a caption here, this name will be displayed here, and the icon. So this is the latest icon from Microsoft Word. If you want to use something else, like we can, whichever is easy for you, you can take it. So just clicking OK, and as soon as I hit OK, you will be observe that I will be getting one window open for WordPad. So let me click OK, and you just see that I have got the WordPad window, and now I can click what are the things I wanted to perform here. I can do that one. I'll insert some icons, some text, word art, right, word art. I will put that word art. Similar way I'll save this one and I'll close this. So if you observe that I got one icon here, I can move wherever I want, whichever the cell I want, I can move it. And if I want, I will click here, this will be icon here. If you want to little bit smaller, we can make it smaller as well, no problem, based on our need and whatever the space available, right, we can make it very small even. Okay, so the work will be done. Once I click on this, I will get that one. If I want to edit something, I can close that. I just wanted to show someone, and that's also there. So hope you have understand how we can create an object. Now we will see that how we can insert an object. One more thing before we jump to the how we can insert an object from file. If something I have added, I wanted to remove it, simply you have to select that object and click on the delete. It will go away. But if you want to delete, you cannot like you will be not able to say for example, you cannot recover it. If you remove and save it, that it will go, but again undo will be working. If you do the undo and redo, it will be working for sure. This time I have deleted here, but I incorrectly I deleted. I'll put Ctrl Z and it will be coming here. But if you delete this one and you save the file, a later point of time you want to like make that object available, we will not able to do. But if you have saved that file, you can do it. Now I will show you. All the time we will not creating a new object, right? So sometimes, say for example, I have one file and that file I wanted to add here. So how we can do that one? I will show you how to create a how we can insert a object from the file. So again, click on the insert and then go to the test, and from there go to the object. Click here on object. Now you have to click on the create from file, and here it will ask what is the path. Okay, so I will show you different of file, what are the type of files. You can update any kind of file which is available on the your desktop. If you have saved something, you can attach it. I will try to show you notepad file, how we can attach notepad file, any Excel file, okay, images, videos, PPTs and zip files. So first it will be asked for the file name, where it is file is. I will click on the desktop, and I have created some sample folder properly, like purposefully. If you want, like whatever the place you have saved that file, you can browse that. And in this case, first example, we will see notepad, right, how we can attach a notepad. So I have one monthly report notepad saved in my desktop. I will click on the insert, and here link to file and display as a icon. So I will click on the display as a icon and click on OK. So if you observe that I got one monthly report, one icon is here, it got visible here. As soon as I save, that icon get changed. Okay, this will happen. So if you newly insert, and let me make a little bit bigger size so that we can understand that. Let me put height cell height as 18. Okay, little bit more, cell height little 25. Okay, now better. What we'll do is we'll try to save one each file, and now I'll increase this one. So here in this box we have notepad file example. Now we will see the how we can, similar way we can attach the Excel file. So let me go to the insert and click on the test and go to the object. I'm clicking here, I'm creating from the file, click on this, and now this time I want to attach Excel. So I having Excel file here available. I'll click on the insert, display as icon, and click here. So once I click that, sometime what happen, sometime the icon will be showing different, like it kind of like you cannot understand, some dummy icon will be there, but I just, as soon as you save it, it will become like that the same thing happened for the notepad file, our notepad file. But this time that Excel is showing properly, it is showing as a that icon showing simple, but once you save it, you will be getting that what is the exact icon we are going to get. So Excel file got attached. I have just adjusted a little bit. Now how we can attach the images? So let me click on that, insert, test, object, and this time create from the file, create from file, and then we wanted to attach one image. Click on the simple image, click OK, display as icon, and now this time you remember, you see I am getting the Internet Explorer icon. So once I save that, it got changed. So I'll just adjust little bit, and if I want to open it, just I'm clicking, double click on it, it will ask to you want to open it, and that file got open. If you want to open this simple Excel file, you can open it. So any file you want to open, and you edit something, it will be saved. Okay, so now I will show you one video file, how we can attach a video file here. So I'll go to the image, create from file, and here we have one simple image like video file. I'll click on here, and so this time you just see that what is the icon is representing, showing something like it's not like related to the video icon. I'm just saving it, and after saving that, you just see that it got changed, the icon got changed. So if I click on this, it will ask for the yes.
Welcome to MS Excel tutorial point. In this video we will be learning what is the Microsoft Excel,
and this is the way we can.
So Microsoft Excel is a spread.
I close that one, and this is the way we can insert any video file, right? Now we will see that what is the PPT. It is a similar way, zip file and PPT one. So I'll quickly attach the PPT, and then we'll discuss the zip, because zip file is little bit more useful for us when we have the multiple file to be attached. So I got PPT here, save it. Now I'll insert a zip file. So click on the zip file object. So attach the zip file, and display as icon, click on here. So you will be wondering why I am attaching the zip file. So sometime what happens, say for example I have 20 file or 30 file, all the file I have to attach. So again, for each time I have to go and select one file and select it, right? And it will be very tedious task. So to get to solve this problem, what we can do is we can create a zip file. Okay, we can create a zip file of all together. Like say for example, let me go to that file, desktop, and in simple file, say for example I have all these files I have. Say for example you have 20, 30, whatever number you have, just click on this and click on the compress to zip file. Once you click on that, it will ask for the file name, what file name you want to. Normally it will give what is the first file you have selected, that name it will be giving, but you can give any file name. Okay, sample zip example. Okay, once I click this, like once I rename that one, if I clicking now, if you see all this whatever the files is there, it is come as one file here, one file. And similar way we got one file here as a zip file. So in Excel we will not be able to attach multiple files at the same time. We can do one by one. 5 files are there, we can do the 5 time and we can do. But if you want to do all these 5 in one together, then you have to compress and make it one zip folder, like zip file, and in that you can have all those whatever the numbers file you want, and you can very well attach. So if I open, double click in the zip file, what will be happen? It will ask for you want to open, just security purpose only, and after that it got created in a temp file, and all these five files are available. So any of the file we want to use, we can open and very well we can use. And wherever I am going to share this file, if I'll take into the pen drive or sending one through email. So if you have a large file, then it will not go to the through email, but if you can have like you can use shared drives, right, to get, and whoever take that this single file, they will be having access to the all these files. So this is the way we can create a new object and insert a new object from the file. So we have seen how to we can create a notepad, Excel file, PPT and zip files. Hope you have understand and this video is useful for you. And that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.